Hey, Rob here for Quadratec. If you're looking to add a little holiday cheer to the front of your Jeep, or any vehicle for that matter, you've got to check out our LED Christmas wreaths. We've been selling these for a number of years now, and we've heard the feedback from you, our customers. We've made them even better and even easier to install. That's right. Our LED Christmas wreaths are now battery powered, meaning you don't have to snake any wiring under the hood, tie it into your fuse box, or route it through door seals and into the cabin of your Jeep. No fumbling with a 12-volt plug in an accessory port or cigarette lighter. Nope, the battery powered pack can simply be tucked away close to the wreath and runs off of 3 AA batteries, giving you power for your wreath for up to 2 weeks, depending on the batteries that you've installed and the outside temperature where you live. Now, getting it installed is super easy. You'll start by disconnecting the wreath from the battery pack and popping the hood on your vehicle. Then we can route that wiring through the grille, tucking it away into a easy to access location. On our Wrangler, I find it easy to go ahead and pop those clips along the top leading edge of the grille, folding it back to give you easier access to route that wire. Now, with that made, we can go ahead and reconnect the battery pack to the wreath wiring and then install 3 AA batteries. At that point, all that's left to do is tilt our grille back into place, and we can go ahead and power up the wreath, selecting one of 8 different modes. That's right, we now have 8 multifunction modes selectable right here from the multifunction module. Not only can you select from white, but also colored light options and multiple flashing and sequencing patterns, fading between the white and multicolor lights, or solid on one of the options that you choose. Now, once you turn that on, it will remain powered for 6 hours and then off for a period of 18 hours. That means if you turn it on today at 5 o'clock, it's going to stay on until 11 o'clock and then shut off all day tomorrow until 5 o'clock at night, when it's going to come right back on without any input for you. That's great because it means that you don't have to fumble with any switches, plugging in any power ports, and well, it's even going to light up for you when your Jeep's parked in your driveway or maybe out at the shopping mall, so you can spread a little holiday cheer even when you're away from your vehicle. And of course, you don't have to worry about any drain on your vehicle's battery. Now, if you want to get more information or to purchase a Quadratec LED battery-powered Christmas wreath for your Jeep, or maybe pick up one for a friend or loved one, they'll make a great early holiday gift this year. You can head to quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions about the wreaths or how to get it installed, you can always do this for me down in the comment section below, or simply head to quadratec.com. Of course, if you haven't already and you like these videos, do me a huge favor. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification icon so you're sure to catch all of our latest videos. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you out on the trail.